Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a winter wreath. This is one of the ones that I wanted to do because you will notice that I actually got the stuff off the trees outside here and I created my own wreath. The only problem is as it dried it got thinner and thinner, so the wreath ended up being quite small. I think if I do it in future I won't, because what I did was I kept tightening the zip ties that were around the wreath, and next time I won't do that. I will just leave it in the shape that it is so that it can stay nice and thick, because I didn't like the thin one too much. It just looked a little bit, how can I say, lacking. So, but you will see when you watch the video.
I love being creative and trying new things in my journey through life, writing best practices, tips and tricks, sharing updates on my own writing and books with different tutorials sprinkled in between. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. There's music covers and original pieces written and composed by me, handmade jewelry reveals, sewing videos, other crafts, poetry reading, book reviews and many, many more. Come and join me on this journey and let's have fun together.
Okay, so we're going to go straight into the video and I'll show you what I used. So these I got off a tree that we have over here. Some of it's still green, actually, it's still drying, and I picked it a while ago. So as it's been drying, because what I did was I put it in a bucket and I molded it in the bucket, and then I had to have Storm help me, because then as she held it I zip tied it together so that it doesn't just unravel again. And as it's been drying all along, I've been zip tying it, tying the zip ties tighter and tighter, and now it's time to actually use it. So this will probably be the last time that I tighten the zip ties, because I don't think I should tighten it any further than this. So that is the wreath that I made. I'm going to be leaving the back ends sort of at the back so that it can't be seen, and yeah, I'm going to be working on this side. Next I've got this towel. I was going to use my baby blanket that I bought for Christmas for the snow, but I just didn't want to cut it up, so I'm using this towel. It's a white towel that I got, I think, at our wedding. It was a wedding gift, but we've never used it because white in our house is like a swear word. So I'm going to be cutting this up. I don't think the whole thing, but I'm going to be cutting it up because I need little strips which I'm going to tie, and I want to see how badly this is going to fall apart and fray and stuff. I've done the little bow ties, and now I need to paint the polystyrene balls. I have finished doing those. I finished with the balls. I did these beforehand, which are snowflakes. My daughter actually drew most of them for me, because the ones I drew, which was like that one, was not done very nice. But because she used to do, when she was in school not so long ago, she did electrical drawing, she's able to do it very nicely. Like, she can mark them out and measure them out, and yeah. And then she had to redo these for me because the ones I did broke. But then when I was doing this one, it once again broke, so I just have to glue it with a glue gun first, before I glue it onto here. And then what I did was, because it's felt, so to make the felt firm, I used, what's that stuff called? I used decoupage or Mod Podge and waterproofing medium. We can start gluing these things on. So I'm going to just put them here in the middle. I'm going to be using my Gorilla Glue, clear glue, as well as my glue gun, which the glue gun doesn't have normal glue sticks in it. It has this PVC and cable glue sticks because they are stronger than the normal glue gun sticks. I haven't yet decided how I'm going to hang this up. So we'll see when we're done. Okay, one of the things about these is if you're doing your wreath lying down, you don't see the parts when you lift it up that you are missing, especially on the inside. So now some of these things I'm going to be putting sort of on the inside, like the balls. I'm going to try and put on the inside and see how it goes. I don't know, I'm going to have to put this one sort of in the middle. I need to choose where my top's going to be. Now I need to put the little marbles on. I'm going to move that here. Okay, so I found this. It has wire in it. Instead of using maybe the white, I'm going to see if I can put this in. I'm not sure how. Right now, before I do anything else, I want to put the hanging one on. So it's hanging like that, so it has to hang there. That was the video with the winter wreath. I must say it didn't come out the way that I wanted to. I was a little bit disappointed in it. It looks a little bit not my style, should I say. Some people might like it because it's quite there's not like a lot happening on it, and some people like simplicity, whereas I am, because I'm boho, I like, you know, non-simplicity when it comes to decor. So I might redo this at some point when I've got a chance. You know, being the way that I am, I probably will redo it. If I redo it, I might do a video on it. I'll see how it goes. But I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that it gave you some ideas for your own winter wreath. And if you liked the video, if you can please give it a thumbs up, And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the subscription block below. It shows support for my channel, which I really do appreciate. And if you click the little bell notification, you'll be informed when I upload a video, and that just helps you not to miss any. And if you look in the description block below, you will also find all of my social media, including my blog, which is where you'll find more content from me. And if you go to www.patreon.com/Ondeane Lourens, it's also where you can find more content from me, and it's also the best place for you to support what I do on this channel and then also what I do on my blog. If you look there on my Patreon, you also see that there's a few things that I give away there that is specifically for my patrons. If you do, however, want to support me but you don't want to become a patron, you will also find my email address in the description block below, and you can just contact me to find out a different way. I'll let you know. I hope that you have a lovely day further. Keep your crystal on, your sparkle strong, and enjoy your moments. Goodbye.